So our next award is Private Equity Firm of the Year, sponsored by CDDI, Corporate Due Diligence and Investigations. I'd like to invite up Preston Smith to give this award away. Preston, come join us. I know we should come and get you from the table, but, you know. Were you at the whiskey? Were you tasting the whiskey already with O'Reilly over there?
Here we have a short long list.
That was last
And
night.
on the short list we have Abris Capital Partners, Bald Cup, Coast to Coast Capital, Genesis Capital, Hartenberg Capital, Innova Capital, MCI Capital, Penta Investments, and Swan Lake.
So thank you for supporting this event and helping us hand out this award.
No problem. And the winner is Abris Capital Partners.
I am a passenger, and I ride through the city backsides. I see the stars
So congratulations, and come join us for a photo here. Move on.
You know it looks so good tonight.
And please feel free to say a few words.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Abris Capital team, I would like to thank you very much, especially the jury, for the great award. We are really proud to be among top professionals in this country, and I'm sure we'll continue our great work and commitment to private equity. Thank you very much.
Okay, congratulations.